In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter employee stock purchase plan information in TurboTax and make sure your cost basis is adjusted correctly to help avoid double taxation. We'll be working inside TurboTax, starting from the main dashboard in Google Chrome. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to your TurboTax account and that you have your tax documents nearby, especially Form 3922 and any brokerage statements related to the stock sale. Having those ready will make this process much smoother and help you enter the information accurately. Once you're in TurboTax, go to the Income and Expenses section. This is where TurboTax groups the different types of earnings and transactions you may need to report. From there, scroll until you find Investment Income. This section is used for things like stock sales, mutual funds, bonds, and similar investments. Next, click Start next to Stocks, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other. This opens the area where you can enter details about investment sales. If you sold shares that came from an employee stock purchase plan, it's important to choose the correct category so TurboTax can guide you through the right tax treatment. When prompted to select the investment type, choose Employee Stock Purchase Plan or ESPP. This tells TurboTax that the stock sale may involve special tax rules. ESPP shares are a little different from ordinary stock sales because part of the gain may already be included on your tax forms as compensation income. That's why the next part is so important. Now enter the cost basis adjustment details using the information from Form 3922. This step helps prevent double taxation. In many cases, the brokerage statement may show a cost basis that does not include the compensation element already reported elsewhere. If you enter only the brokerage basis without the proper adjustment, TurboTax may calculate too much taxable gain. Carefully compare the figures on your brokerage statement with Form 3922 and enter the adjustment as prompted. Take your time here, because accuracy matters. The goal is to reflect the correct adjusted basis so the shares are taxed properly only once. As you complete the entry, review everything before moving on. Make sure the ESPP selection is correct and that the basis adjustment matches the supporting documents you're using. If anything looks off, pause and recheck the numbers before submitting your return. That's how to enter ESPP stock sale information in TurboTax and adjust the cost basis correctly to avoid being taxed twice on the same income.